Well, in celebration of International Women's Day, a free expo is being held in Miami today. It's called the 100 Successful Women's Business Expo. It'll feature networking opportunities and also free workshops. It's happening from 9 o'clock this morning until 4 p.m. at the Hilton Hotel in Miami, right next to the airport. There's going to be dozens of speakers that are scheduled to speak, including Miss International World. She's a journalist and author, Teresa Garnier. She says it's a great opportunity to connect with other entrepreneurs.
You're going to have women from literally all over the world coming to showcase all of the different businesses that they are a part of.
That's right. Again, it is happening today right next to the airport, right off of Northeast 76.